Interim maintenance 2021 CMR 1292, SHAHZAD AMIR FARID, Versus.Mst SOBIA AMIR FARID and others. Civil Petition No. 3155L of 2023 Family Courts Act 1964 #-S.17 A interim maintenance. Father failing to comply with order for payment of maintenance to the minor's contumacious conduct costs, imposition of family court, in accordance with Section 17A of the Family Courts Act, 1964, had the lawful authority to strike off the defense of the petitioner father and decree the suit for maintenance on the basis of averments in the plaint and other supporting documents on record of the case. Once the petitioner failed to pay the interim maintenance allowance by 14th day of each month, during the pendency of proceedings, petitioner was also put to notice by the family court to clear the arrears of interim maintenance allowance, otherwise the provisions of Section 17A of the Act would be invoked, which the petitioner failed to comply with. Moreover, the determination of the amount of maintenance by the family court was neither arbitrary nor capricious. Hence, the High Court had rightly declined to interfere with the findings of the family court with regard to the quantum of maintenance allowance in view of the callous disregard of the petitioner for the court order to pay interim maintenance and his attempts to delay the payment of decreed maintenance allowance for his minor children. The Supreme Court imposed costs on the petitioner in the sum of Rs. 1,000 rupees 100,000 only to deter such conduct in the future, with the direction that the costs shall be recovered by the executing court as part of the decree for maintenance.